Marshals, they will not be fighting.
Ah, yes, yes. Remember them well.
Here we go.
No, away, away, away! Away, no way!
Warrior there in Victor, looking around the course. You can imagine your field of vision not the best in these full suits of armour. Hopefully you know where your next adversary is coming from, but not every time. Oh!
And then running in from the side, away from the vision. Those of you that can really only look straight ahead because of all the metal.
That's it, a large chap there with really quite a hefty axe.
Something good to note as well. The shield's not really there for protection, they are there for a second weapon.
You just pushed them over, is that allowed?
That's exactly what they're supposed to do, but you did fight, right?
Yes, bravely, many times.
3 points of contact on the ground and you are out of here. Looks like we're stopping. Your victors are... I was paying attention, and they're victors! Whistle, now, go!
Right forward now is the captain of the French international team who is down for the cap immediately.
Easy down, good to see you getting up there. Hey, you gotta take a risk sometimes, because you're rolling the dice.
That's true, I don't always suggest drop kicking in the that's okay?
Not the first time, won't be the last bit.
As the fight goes on, these people are fully kitted out in over 40 kg of armour. The heat is almost as much a killer as the halberd swinging at their head.
Sir Dudson there showing his courage, Biff getting quite close to the action. I think that's mad. I'm staying here.
I'm staying as far away from that as I can.
I'm reporting live from the middle of the fight.
We're here, squeezy half time.
Our biggest competitor in the St George flag there. Taking on two cameras. Over here for a bit. 50 feet is usually the good thing.
It's very loud.
No, not really even on the battlefield.
Why would I?
You are a little.
How does it feel being on the floor?
That was an axe into the armpit, sword is stuck in the person on the ground.
Looks like you looked exhausting.
This is Bruna and Ben versus the giant Greg.
Greg, you absolute unit!
I can tell you, Biff, this is one normal-sized fighter against two smaller fighters.
These three, they remind me of those Russian dolls, but in night form.
Greg taking a lot of beating there, but just taking what's going on.
Greg is...
What did I say? Never bet against Bruna!
And our warriors advance into the fray!
A mixture of choice between long-range weapons and short-range. We have the full axes, we have the halberds that have greater range, swords that are kind of in between. But either way,
There's a lot of power in that axe there. Watch out that shield. Exchanging blood for blood, they're doing very well indeed.
and as we say, a shield very much a second weapon in this game.
This is just like how it felt in a real war.
So Dunstan, you could be advised, you're not still a warrior, my lord. Not to tell you what to do, but you're very close to those very scary dudes.
We've said it before there again, the peripheries are not good in this full armour. It's good for keeping you metal, there's metal! There is literally metal flying off. Get behind us, Duvet!
Got hit on the back of the neck.
Things be large to that visor. Bouts. Carrying the visor. Not really there an evil. Or Falcon, whatever she is. And the thing has happened! Prepare. Marshals just doing their final checks now, my lords and ladies. Marshals are ready. Very well then. When you are all prepared, warriors, all, you may kick each other's heads up!
Fantastic job protecting our tilt from being destroyed by Burly Boys.
Our French warriors there, taking some support behind the man mounted in the St George's Cross. Oh! Little straight onto the back of our Gloucester warrior, who immediately takes down the Victor fighter.
Jumped on his back and got knocked clean off that back.
That is the ground themselves.
There's a part of humanity in the tilt.
Do you know what I love, Biff? I watch our Invicta fighters, the rest of our fighters here, and I say to myself, you know what? Thank goodness I'm not doing that.
I thank my lucky stars every day I was allowed to ride a horse.
I'm lucky I'm just so rich.
You are that.
Very rich.
This is extraordinary, godless violence. I've never seen anything like it.
Some have even dropped their weapons and just gone for fisticuffs. Of course, those fists clad in metal.
These three competitors trying to kneel their opponents to death.
Oh, the warrior from France there doing very well to avoid that takedown from the Invicta man at arms himself.
Tiny shield. Look even taller on him.
Like I said before, these shields not necessarily for defence.
Mainly as a weapon.
A second weapon. Go on! Oh, unlucky there.
You hate to see it when they do a full run and then bounce off the person.
Just at the end there, came down to mass, really. It's a physics question.
Invicta are the winners!
Very well then. Our marshals are ready. Warriors, good luck to each and every one of you. Fight fair! Fight well! Me? Here we go then, my lords and ladies, straight into the meat ground.
I think he might have been
Running away, running away, running away.
We're surrounded by the fighting. Are we safe?
Oh no, we are not safe.
What?
We've never been safe.
And our French warrior there, a noble effort, but into the debt.
Well, they absolutely batter each other.
And Jacob requires the headbutt there from our Invicta warrior. Our marshal, of course,
Oh, a little knee to the back of the leg. Down to the ground.
A little allegiance here forming between England and France. Straight in to take our Invicta. Is it Invicta? No, I think Gloucester.
It's an OBO.
Our Brummy warrior remains.
Our friends from the north.
Oh!
Almost a little bit. Oh, a double sword to the skull.
Bit early for Kung Fu, mate.
The sound is incredible. It's like a cutlery drawer with no dividers.
Our friend from Birmingham is down to the count.
Very well. Our female fighter there from France, doing what she can to take down the mountains, wearing the St George's Cross. He was a gentleman. Well done then, our big top of the people, my lords and ladies, make some noise for George!